Alright folks, here it is in all its glory, the demo for the Space Escape program. So first of all, when you refresh the page, it puts the home base in a different location. As you can see that, we just keep refreshing a few times. The spaceship always starts at the bottom of the page, and the landmines, or space mines if you will, are in random spots also. You'll notice some of them overlap, which is fine. For the purposes of this exercise, that's totally fine. A couple things to keep in mind, however. Thing number one, notice every time I refresh that a mine never appears inside the home base. Never. That's part of the requirement. So the way the game goes, it's pretty simple. Use the arrow keys to move the ship around, and if it collides with any of the mines, then it says mission failed, press escape to play again. So I hit escape, and it just leaves my ship right where it is, and all the keys stop working except for the escape key, which now works. Now notice if I try to hit escape right now, it doesn't work. Okay, but if I end the game, we'll just crash into a mine again. Mission failed. Now the escape key does work. Also notice that when the game's over, the mines disappear. So let's go ahead and successfully make our way in here. See if I can maneuver this here, get up here, cruise over. And once I get in there, it automatically stops and it says you are now safe, press escape to play again. That's the basic functionality of it. There's a couple things to keep in mind, however. If you watch closely here, you'll see that I collided even when it didn't look like I should have. All right, I'll show you what's going on there. It clears the screen, so it's hard to catch it. But the ship is not going to touch. I'm going to go up one, and you'll see that it's going to be a collision. Okay, and the reason for that, I'm going to open up this image and show you. So you can see this is the image in an editor, and all of this space here is transparent, but it's actually part of the image, right? Now there are ways to make the image not be as wide as it is like this and hug the actual shape and all that. We're not going to bother with anything like that. So for this assignment, I'm totally fine if the landmine gets in this area here, that it counts as a collision, right? Because we're just going to treat this as a square basically. Okay, so that's really the only extra thing you kind of need to know. Let's just give it one more run through here, and I will scoot around, get around this. This is a tricky one here because there's landmines everywhere around the home base, so be careful here. And I'm safe. Once the ship is all the way in the box, it'll count it as safe and it'll stop the game. So good luck with this one. It's going to take a little bit of time, so make sure you block out enough time to get it done. That's it, folks. We'll see you in class.